Hi developers. I was just testing out this chat GPT APIs and I wanted to give it a try to create a different interfaces or different business ideas. So what I create an endpoint which takes the certain parameters and gives you a meal out of it, a daily meal, including lunch, breakfast, dinner, and whatsoever. So I create an endpoint which take this six parameters, which has this age, what age you are and what's your age. It also takes increase or decrease parameter, whether you want to increase the weight or decrease the weights. And then it includes the amount of weight you want to increase, including the unit, it's in kg, pounds, or whatsoever. And the meal, which country you resides in. I'm from India, so it's an Indian meal. You can even use or mention Japanese, Australian, South Indian, Chinese, or something, followed by whether you want a vegetarian meal or a non-vegetarian meal. And once I run this script or basically an API, it gives me a particular meal out of like including 5 to 6 meals with the descriptions of each meal, what you can have it. And this sounds good. This is interesting. We can even create a front end interfaces out of it, asking users these inputs and giving them a particular output. So let me give it a one more try by running API again and see what's an output. I'm just expecting that every time it gives a decent output, and here we go again. We have another 4 to 5 meals for the dinner, for the snacks, for the lunch, breakfast. Amazing. This is amazing. Nice. Sounds good.